Bonjour, makeup geeks. I have another French video for you guys. It's not just French. I have some Korean skincare and some UK skincare as well, but I wanted to do a complete haul and review for you all on everything that I picked up on my trip. So I did a 3-week long trip. I was in Paris for 10 days. Then I went to London, and then a friend of mine that lives in Paris works for a Korean brand. So I got all sorts of skincare goodies I was so excited about. I swear most of my purchases on this trip were skincare. It was insane. That's how I know that I'm not young anymore, is when all of my paycheck doesn't go to clothes as much as it does to skincare. But I have some amazing finds in here. Ever since I got this stuff, I've been using it nonstop, and I swear by it. It's amazing. So I wanted to show you guys what it was. Lady's on camera because she wanted to say hi. Do you want to say hi, guys? Say hi, lady. Look at this belly. She had a lot of chicken for dinner, so she's got full belly. You hear that? Ooh, yeah. So anyways, let's start off first with the Korean skincare brand. This is from my friend Raphael. Hi, Raphael. He got me a bunch of goodies from the brand called Erborian. It looks like this. And this cleansing oil is my absolute favorite from all the stuff that he gave to me. And it's incredible. So basically what it is, it's a black cleansing oil, and it removes your makeup, and it's a good cleanser as well. So what I'll do, I won't demonstrate it now, but I'll put some drops in my hand, rub my hands together, wash my face with lukewarm water with it, and it cleans off all of my makeup. It doesn't leave my face super dry, but it's really cleansing. It gets all the impurities out of your pores and all of that. So the ingredient deck's pretty good on this one, but it works amazing. It has charcoal in it, so it's supposed to be very purifying. So if you have oily skin, or your skin feels just extra dirty, you had your makeup on for a really long time, this is a great way to remove the makeup, and it's just so smooth, smells amazing. Love that a lot. So that's the black cleansing oil. And then that same brand has a glow cream, and it's such a cool product because what you can do is use this as a primer underneath your skin. So it comes in a squeeze tube like this, but look at the glow it gives your skin. It's a super hydrating moisturizer that's a little bit glowy. Do you see that? Do you see that right there? It just gives a nice layer under your foundation. If you're feeling very tired and dry and dull, just put this on. It'll kind of brighten it and lighten everything up. And it smells really good too. It's not too strong, so it's not highly fragranced, but it just smells really good. So I love that. Then the next product from this brand is face mask. I haven't used this yet, to be honest, but I still wanted to show it for you guys. It's called Duo De Camellia, but basically what it is a hydrating mask, and I think it has camellia oil in there, and it smells very fresh, very lightweight, but it's supposed to be a hydrating mask that you can either put on as a single layer like this as a super thick moisturizer, or you can apply it, let it sit in a thick layer for 10 minutes, and then wipe off the excess, and it's supposed to be really good for dry skin. Are you snoring? She's snoring. It's not me, you guys. I'm not making any funky noises. It's Lady. Yeah? You comfortable? Okay. So that's the brand Erborian. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's a Korean skincare brand. I'll link to it below so you guys can check them out, but it's a really, really great brand. Now, the next brand I'm going to talk about is from UK. It's my favorite brand of all time. I've worn it for so long now, and I'm a devoted fan of their products. It's so clean, smells great. It works amazingly well on my skin. It's by Elemis. So they're based in the UK, but they have great moisturizers, facial oils, cleansers. Everything I've tried has been amazing. One of my favorite products I use right now is their Pro-Collagen Marine Oil. So this is an oil that you can use on your face under your moisturizer if you want. It's just very hydrating. Like for me, I have super dry skin, so I need something that adds that extra layer of moisture. But also what I'll do is I'll take the oil and I'll put it on my face as a cleanser. So if my makeup remover didn't work, like my black oil one, if I still need a little extra oomph to get all my makeup off, I'll use a little bit of the oil, wipe it on my skin, and then go back in with my cleanser, and it just hydrates the skin, but it doesn't leave it greasy at all. I love facial oils. I will do a whole nother video later on facial oils because I'm a facial oil whore at this point. I know them all, so I will tell you which ones are good. So that's that oil. And then the other product that I haven't tried yet, but I just got, I've used it this week, but I haven't seen it anywhere in the US, is their Pro-Radiance Illuminating Flash Balm. You guys, This is amazing. I'm wearing it right now and I am jet lagged. I'm tired. I have not slept. I've been in 4 different countries at this point. My skin is a hot mess. But what I've used is this Illuminating Flash Cream. And it's kind of similar to that Erborian one, that kind of shiny cream. This is an actual moisturizer that you can put on top, and it will give you like this really nice sheen on there, and it just makes your skin look fresh and dewy, and it like makes it not look so dull and dry, and it feels amazing. I wish you guys could pet through the camera and feel my hand right now. It feels like a very smooth baby's butt, like this. It's amazing. So I definitely love that brand a lot. Anything from their brand is amazing. And then French skincare, my other favorite brand that I absolutely love, and they're so sweet, so kind, is by Darphin. And it's spelled D-A-R-P-H-I-N. Their brand is incredible. They have a huge line of products, serums, creams, moisturizers. But my favorite thing right now that I've been using is their Hydraskin serum. It basically has hyaluronic acid in there. And I use this after I wash my skin. I'll just put, my hands are going to be really nice and smooth after this video. It's this serum that I'll rub onto my skin after I wash it, and then I'll put this layer on underneath my moisturizer, and it keeps the moisture in, and it gives you that extra layer of hydration. And I'll let it sit for a minute, and then I'll put my moisturizer on top, and it just gives you such a smooth feeling to your skin. It's amazing. So I love that. And then their moisturizers and masks that they have, there's this one, it's called the Creme Revealing Beauty Revealing Cream, and this is my moisturizer that I've been using right now. And this cream, I'm gonna give my other hand some love. Let's do this on the other hand. So this cream right here is so soft, it's so buttery. I like it because it's very hydrating, but it doesn't leave me greasy, and it hasn't clogged my pores at all. It has a slight fragrance to it. I don't know what it smells like. Maybe jasmine. It's really pretty and very feminine feeling. So I like that as my moisturizer. And then at night when I take my bath, so just so you guys know, I used to never be a bath person that much, but since I moved, I have these trees outside my window now, and the air is cool, so I open the window. I have a bath every single night with my Lush goodies that Dallas and Day got me. Thanks, you guys. So what I do is every night I get my glass of wine and I go to my bathtub, I draw a nice bath with my Lush goodies, and then I wash my face and I do a treatment or a mask of some sort. So the one I've been doing right now, I'm obsessed with, is by Darphin also. It's their Stimulskin Plus Serum Mask. So it looks like a moisturizer, but what you'll do is put a thick layer on my skin after you wash it. I'll take my nice long bath, I'll sit there with my face mask on, and then when I get out of the bath, I rinse it off and then do my normal skin routine. My skin is so soft by the next day. It doesn't look dry at all. It's such a great mask that I love to use. So that's the Serum mask. Again, I'll link to that below. Are you tired of sitting on my lap? Come here. Are you uncomfortable? Do you need my arm? She's like a baby. She has to be held at all times. Okay, so the other brand that I like that are French brands is La Roche-Posay. Amazing brand. You can get this at... Where are you going? You're done? Lady's done. She's done with the skincare. So another brand is La Roche-Posay. You can get it at any French pharmacy. It's super inexpensive. It's highly effective. It does not break you out. It's great for sensitive skin. But they have this spray that Anne actually told me about. Thanks, Anne. It's called, I feel like I'm giving everyone a shout out today. It's called Cerosync. And basically it's a zinc sulfate solution. It's supposed to purify your pores, cleanse them out. So I use this as a toner. And it's just this little like spray nozzle. And what I do is I get a cotton swab, I'll spray it, and after I wash my face, I'll put a little bit of this on, especially if I have breakouts or I just feel congested. I'll use it as a toner, and there's no smell to it. It seems to work really well. It's very fresh and hydrating, so I think it's great, especially as summer's coming up, to have a really refreshing toner. So I like that, Cerosync. I'll see if you guys can get it in the US, but I got this in Paris. And then my other favorite things from La Roche-Posay. Hold on. Mama needs some coffee. Oh yeah, much better. Okay. So my other favorite things that they have is called the Cicaplast Balm B5. They have a gel version and a cream version. The gel is pretty good, but I still like the cream a lot better. I put this on this morning because I just got off the flight to LA literally at 2 o'clock this morning, and my skin was shot to hell. And so this morning when I washed my face, I was so dehydrated. I put this balm on. It is like a miracle cure for dry skin. If you have eczema, super dry skin, or anything like that, this balm will change your life. It's amazing. It's this really thick cream, and you know how sometimes when you use really thick creams, they'll break you out really bad and they'll clog your pores? This stuff does not do that. I mean, look at that. It looks like paste. It's so thick, but what you do is work it into the skin. It will change the texture of your skin, and I've never broken out from it ever. So out of all of this stuff, I mean, I think this is the best find because it's super inexpensive and it's really effective. Look at that. Do you guys see how hydrated my hands are right now? So there's that version, and then there's the gel version. Okay, 2 more brands from the French pharmacy. So there's Caudalie, and then there's Aven. They're both amazing, very clean brands. Caudalie, I like their moisturizing mask. This is another one that I'll do when I take my baths at night. Again, I'll just put this on. Sorry, my hands are greasy now, so I can't get it open. So what I'll do is I'll just put it on. You guys know how to do a mask. Put it on your skin, let it sit for 10 minutes, wipe it off. It's another hydrating mask that's really good for, dehydrated skin. And then the other cream that I really like is the Aven, it's called Hydrating Cream. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's cream that hydrates. It's great. It's cheap. Works amazing. That's all I can say about it. So anyway, sometimes what I'll do is I'll put this one on my hands too. No, I did not just try this. I have had another bottle of it. But refreshers in Paris of my favorite things. But oh my gosh, I forget how much this smells so good. French pharmacy skincare, I don't know what they put. It's like magic unicorn oils in there. It smells amazing. Just so hydrating, so clean. It's not greasy at all. So love, love, love that. So I'll do more written review for you guys down in the description box below. So click on that to find out more information. But I love all these brands. I think they're just great quality, especially for the price. So check them out. Something that helps you guys with your French pharmacy, UK, and Korean brand haul. Does that help? Have fun shopping, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.